Hi, I'm Sayu Bhojwani. I'm a visiting scholar at the Eagleton program on immigration and democracy. I actually run an organization that trains immigrants to run for office called the New American Leaders Project. And at the same time, I am pursuing a doctorate in political science, or more specifically politics and education at Teachers College, Columbia. And in trying to match both my practitioner interests and research interests, I came to the Eagleton Institute to look at ways that we could collaborate. I'm really interested in immigrant participation in the political process and what are the factors that boost that participation or have a negative effect on that participation. But I think my broader interest as a scholar and a practitioner is to find ways that marry community issues to the academy, because I think those two are not very useful without each other. My role as a visiting scholar is really to help think with the other folks here about the ways in which the program on immigration and democracy can become more robust and can really meet the kind of larger goals of marrying the richness and resources that Rutgers as a student body offers, that New Jersey as a state, and more broadly immigrant communities across the United States bring to the political process. And how do we as academic practitioners or practitioner academics integrate those needs and those resources into a program that, that helps both mobilize immigrant communities but also educates others about the impact that immigrant communities can have on the political process. Coming out of that is a course that I'm teaching in the fall on politics and the new majority. How do we better integrate immigrants into the political process? How do we ensure that it's both the responsibility of immigrant communities as well as of the political actors, whether they're parties or candidates or elected officials, to ensure that people who are from different backgrounds feel a part of this larger movement of democracy in our country. And the course is focused on local level elections and the ways in which candidates are mobilizing immigrant communities, if at all. So the purpose of the course is to give students an opportunity to look more closely at campaigns and understand better the ways in which candidates are engaging or not engaging communities as donors, as potential voters, as influencers of the kind of policies that they're going to adopt. And obviously that will be provided within a kind of both a historical context when it comes to immigrant communities, but also in the context of other racial minorities like African Americans and the ways in which they have been engaged in the political process.